Did you and your colleagues end up with kind of a number line of more bang for your buck versus less in terms of the impact of these policies and the number of infections prevented?
Yeah, that was a primary goal of the study, is to figure out how can we get the most health benefit for the lowest cost. What we see is around the world, different policies have different impacts. And I think that makes a lot of sense because cultures are different, governments are implementing policies in different ways. In the United States, what we see is that business closure, people working from home, people staying in their homes, those have very large health benefits. There's other policies, transportation restrictions, for example, that don't have as clear effects. And then there's other policies still. So, for example, one interesting policy is school closure. So it's been really hard for children to stay home all the time, both on the families and the kids. And we don't want to say that it doesn't matter, but we don't see really clear evidence that it's having big benefits in the data.
One of the things that you said in announcing the results of this study as it was published in Nature today is a bottom line that sort of stunned me, and one of the things made me want to talk to you tonight. You said, "I don't think any human endeavor has ever saved so many lives in such a short period of time. There's been huge personal cost to staying home and canceling events, but the data show each day made a profound difference." Do you mean that literally, that this might have been a collective human endeavor that saved more lives than anything else we've ever done?
Absolutely. I think this is an incredible achievement. I mean, the ability to coordinate millions of people to stay home when they don't want to take on these tremendous hardships to save other people's lives. It's incredible. I don't think it's ever happened before. And not just in this country, in countries around the world. I think, it's been a really difficult year, and it's a little inspiring to think back and realize what it is that we achieved together by coordinating, cooperating, using science. We did something that's never been done in human history, and we should be proud of that. But it's not over. It's still going on. The roof was falling. We came together. We caught it, and we're at this moment just sort of still holding it up.
Solomon Shung, Chancellor's Professor of Public Policy at UC Berkeley. Sir, thank you for your time. Thank you and your colleagues for this hard work. Thanks for helping us understand.
Thanks for having me.